Okay, good afternoon, teacher. Next, we are going to expose impact of international factors on copper export in Peru during the period 2017 to 2020. The group consists of Montalban Mesa Mari, Ricardo Cabrera Luis, and Vasquez Vega Ruth. It is well known that a country's traditional exports are the ones with the highest volume within the set of production that the country products. Such is the case of Peru, whose economic growth depends largely on this export, principally its traditional export, which represents approximately 72% of the total. Where in traditional export, the mining sector that greater weight on copper is the main product. Copper export represents about approximately 29% of Peru's total export. World copper productions is led by Chile with 29%, followed with Peru, and in third place with China with 8%. The production of this mineral was increased considerably over the last years, from 3 million tons in 1959 to 20.7 million tons in 2018. Macroeconomic factors that may affect Peruvian copper's export are the international price of copper and the real exchange. There is a relationship between the price of copper and the price of gold, as when the price of copper goes up, the price of gold tends to go down, and when the price of gold goes up, the price of copper tends to go down. In June 2019, the price of copper fell to $2.63 per ounce. It represents a decrease of 16.3% over the previous year. As economic agents, faced with the global economic reach, take refuge in gold. For the exchange rate, it increased in June and September, with September 2019 because of the decrease in the price of copper, which is the main production export by Peru. Because of these facts, it is necessary to make an analysis of the international factors affect copper export in Peru. Therefore, we ask ourselves the following question. As a general problem, what are the macroeconomic factors that determine copper export with the period 2017 to 2020 as a specific problem? What is the impact of variation in the international price of copper on Peruvian copper exports for the period 2017 to 2020? And what are the results of an increase or decrease in the real exchange rate on Peruvian copper export from the period 2017 to 2020?